The driver had 2 other passengers on board whilst traveling along the busy bypass. Eyewitnesses said the vehicle lost control and struck a light post before rolling onto its side. Several community members rushed to the scene and managed to help turn the vehicle back onto its 4 wheels.
Eyewitnesses. Karen drive kamantap na. Emba misla paulo ape, pawa paulo ape. Na mipla askim mole oltok driver I'm sick. Na all line lo inside lo kare I'm all right. Ogera all right.
However, the car was not in handbrake when it was repositioned, creating a dangerous situation. As a result, the vehicle began to roll uncontrollably down the highway, posing significant risks to pedestrians and other motorists in the area. Thankfully, no injuries or casualties were reported. EMTV News, which was on the scene, captured the entire sequence of the event. Police were quickly alerted of the situation and the area was cleared to prevent any further incidents. The passengers and the driver, though unwell, were not seriously injured.